ठीक है, ट्राई है तो आज काम में रहेगा।
Good morning, students, and a warm welcome in your online classes. As we had studied your previous chapter conjunctions, and today we shall start to study phrases. What we study? Phrases. So firstly, we see the definition of phrase. A phrase is a group of words having some meaning but not complete meaning or not complete sense is called phrase. Means phrase शब्दों के समूह होते हैं, उनकी अपनी कुछ मीनिंग होती है, लेकिन उनका एक कंप्लीट सेंस, एक कंप्लीट मीनिंग नहीं रहती है, लाइक द सेंटेंस और क्लॉज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इन द मॉर्निंग, सो इन द मॉर्निंग इज फ्रेज द ओल्ड मैन, इज फ्रेज अ कप ऑफ हॉट टी is phrase. So like the way group of words having some meaning but not complete meaning or complete sense is called phrase. And there are several ways in which a phrase is formed. Means a phrase is formed in several ways. First, a phrase may begin with a preposition. A phrase may begin with a preposition, as he acted with great responsibility. He acted with great responsibility. And second is, a phrase often begins with a participle, और फ्रेज कभी कभी आपके पार्टिसिपल से भी शुरू होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द मैन सिटिंग देयर इज माई ब्रदर. द मैन सिटिंग देयर इज माई ब्रदर. एंड समटाइम्स अ फ्रेज begin with an infinitive. For example, I have learned to speak English. And sometimes a phrase begins with a gerund, means verb in ing form, as an adjective. For example, Harry enjoys swimming in the sea. Harry enjoys swimming in the sea. So this is the phrase and how they start. And there is finite verb and non-finite verb. So finite verb means the verbs which are changed according to the person number and gender of the subject is called finite verb. And the verbs which are not changed according to the person number and gender is called non-finite verbs. In non-finite verbs, we study infinitive, participle, and gerund. And after that, we see types of phrases. So in types of phrases, firstly we study noun phrases. Noun phrases. A noun phrase does the work of a noun in a sentence. A noun phrase does the work of a noun in a sentence. For example, I enjoy coffee. I enjoy coffee, or I enjoy a cup of hot coffee. I enjoy a hot cup of coffee. And like the way a noun phrase contains a noun as well as its modifiers, adjectives or determiners with it means noun के साथ कभी कभी उसके modifier means adjective या determiners भी use हुए रहते हैं. जैसे for example to win the world cup is our ambition. To win the World Cup is our ambition and the red scarf will look nice. So like the way this is noun phrase means in noun phrase noun does work as a noun having modifier or adjective. So after that you will see exercise number first. In exercise number first you will see your book on page number 134 is given. Fill in the blanks with appropriate noun phrases. Fill in the blanks with appropriate noun phrases. So you have to fill appropriate noun phrases according to you, but I have got you done, and that I will send you tomorrow by the written message. And that's all for today, and have a good day.